Hi everybody, it's Marty Taylor here at Vernon Toyota, and today I'd like to show you a very nice 2016 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road. It is the access cab configuration, 3.5 liter V6, 68,000 kilometers approximately, and a manual transmission. Indeed, a very rare bird. Air conditioning, dual airbags, heated seats, tow package, Bluetooth, backup camera, a very, very well-kept Tacoma. A lease client returned this vehicle. Locking rear diff, an excellent set of aftermarket wheels and tires, along with the original factory alloys come with this vehicle. Super rare bird, as I said before, 2016. Any questions, don't hesitate to give me a call, 250-545-0687. Again, Marty Taylor, Vernon Toyota, 250-545-0687.